today is a bit different. I wanted to take you on a journey, the same journey that I've been going on for the last 4 or 5 months. So I set myself a challenge to get in the best shape of my life, better even than when I competed as a bodybuilder at 17, which now would be 24 years ago. I then won the under 18 British bodybuilding championships. It was an amazing experience, and I made the decision to live life. Not that bodybuilding is not living life, but I had other priorities at that time. Going out, partying mainly, eating what I want, and there was no real way for me to progress after under 18s until I got to under 21s. Anyway, I've been on and off with my training journey for the last 20 years. I've been doing bits of CrossFit, got back into bodybuilding over the last couple of years, I'd say. Got hooked up with an amazing coach, Mr. Joe Brightman, who's been helping me. And I think with anything in life, I find it's really, really good to set an ambitious goal and work towards it. 1, so you get a sense of achievement. 2, you can measure your progress against that goal. And 3, you can set a reward at the end. So the reason I wanted to do this was to be an example to my kids, to show them that with hard work and discipline, anything is possible. To show myself, because I was feeling like, okay, I'm 41 now, I'm getting old, I can still look and feel just as good as when I was 17, 18. Yes, it might be a lot harder and require more discipline, but I have more knowledge now, I have access to a coach, the correct diet, supplementation, mindset, and everything else. And so that's what we did. So over the last, I'm going to say 20 weeks, we've gone from around 108 kilos, which I got to over a slow bulk, down to yesterday, or day before yesterday, I was 93 kilos. Yesterday 93.6, today I weighed in 94.4. So I'll go into the video on how I went from 108 to 93 kilos, what was difficult, what I found easy, what I enjoyed about the process, what I didn't enjoy. But the main reason I started this in the first place, it was because I had a distinct lack of discipline coming into my life. So I'd eat dinner and then I'd go back into the kitchen. Many of you may know this routine, to go and get biscuits, go and get treats. I always had cravings for things. I didn't have control over what I was eating. And then that lack of discipline was pervading into other areas of my life. I wasn't focusing at work, getting clear, defined work blocks completed. So I just thought, if I can put discipline across my training, my diet, learn to say no to things. I've been on 3 holidays, I think, not drunk any alcohol, not swayed from my diet, said no to lots of things. And that's brought back the power of discipline in my life. Me having confidence in my ability to say no, which is so important in life, especially as an entrepreneur when opportunities and things are coming at you left, right and center. Just cultivating the discipline to stay on a plan and say no to things and be true to your own vision and journey was the main reason why I did it. And I feel like I've really achieved that. I had one slip up during the process, but other than that, I've had 20 odd weeks of eating exactly what I should be eating, training when I should be training, and all the rest of it. So I sent my pictures from this morning. I've been checking in every day, taking pictures in the garden and sending them to my coach. He then has a look at what I'm looking at. Like, the idea is that I've basically been on a massive calorie deficit. I've been eating less than I need for a long time. And then the last sort of couple of days before the show or photo shoot, we raised carbohydrate by a considerable amount. Yesterday I had 500 grams of carbs, which you think would be amazing, but actually it just made me so hungry. Not going to complain. Literally, I know this is normal for bodybuilders, but if you're not a bodybuilder and you're watching, eating exactly what my coach has told me to eat every day, at exactly the right amount of sodium, at exactly the right amount of water, and only gone off the plan once, which I recoup through the week by adjusting my calories. So I am at this point really proud of myself. I believe I'm in better condition now than I was when I was 17. Let's just see how we look tomorrow. Wouldn't have been able to do it without Joe. It's going to be quite emotional tomorrow, having put so much hard work into something. And then I think that's why people say you're mad, why are you doing it to yourself? The satisfaction of doing something where you know you've put so much hard work into it, whether it's a business, whether it's a photo shoot, whether you're continuing on your diet for another month and doing an actual competition. Like, hard work for a result, no matter what that result is, even if it's just a 2-hour photo shoot, does matter. So if you haven't set yourself an unrealistic goal and had to be disciplined, dedicated and committed over an extended period of time for a reward, I would recommend everyone to do it. I'm here today. The plan is, as I started getting closer, I realised I'm going to be in really decent shape actually. So why not arrange a photo shoot? Just to sort of commemorate all the hard work, have a memory. And then I thought, well, if I'm doing a photo shoot, I may as well vlog the process as well. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to vlog the process for you around the photo shoot. What did I look like before? We'll put some bits in from when I competed when I was 17 to when I'm competing now. Not competing, doing the photo shoot, so you can see the difference. I really hope that it can be inspirational to those entrepreneurs out there that are struggling with their discipline, struggling with their routine, struggling to balance work and their physical health. They want to look a certain way, they just can't get into a routine. So I just took my shots, had a quick sneak peek. I don't even need to wait for the feedback from John. I need to wait for it to know what to do. But I'm so happy with it. This tan from A1 Tans looks absolutely sick. Made a massive difference. It's just, yeah, I'm just so happy with it. Like, I've not been in this condition since I was 17. I'm now 41. I'm so proud of myself. The discipline that it's taken to follow this routine. Every single meal, every single night, every single gram of sodium, every single litre of water for the last 20 weeks or so. So we've done it, guys. Photo shoot complete, prep complete. So it's been emotional. I'm so proud of myself, and I want to say thank you to my family, kids, wife, for putting up with me over the last 4 months, supporting me and telling me that they're proud of me. That's it for the vlog, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you to set unrealistic goals and go for something that you truly desire.